Hello everyone, we are going on with our 19th exercise named Chef and Remissness. So in this exercise it says that the chef is now a corporate person. He has to attend the office regularly, but the chef does not want to go to office. Rather, he wants to stay home and discover different recipes and cook them. In the office where chef works has two guards who count how many times a person enters into the office building. Though the duty of a guard is 24 hours in a day, but sometimes they fall asleep during their duty and could not track the entry of a person in the official building. But one better thing is that they never fall asleep at the same time. At least one of them remains awake and counts who enters into the office. Now boss of chef wants to calculate how many times chef has entered into the building. He asks it to the guard and they give him two integers a and b, count of first guard and count of the second guard respectively. Help the boss to count minimum and maximum number of times chef could have entered into the office building. The first line is the number of test cases, and the next three lines are the given integer from the guards to the boss of the chef, a and b. So as output we need to get the minimum value, that the minimum times that the chef entered the room, the office, and the maximum. Uh, there's there are possibilities that the guards counted the entrance of the chef at the office uh, twice, because they were both of them awake and they each of them counted one. So as input we have 19 and 17 for example, and the minimum one is 19, uh, and if we suppose that the second one was counting while they both were awake, and the minimum one would be 19, so the minimum number would be the maximum number of both of them, and the maximum number would be the possibility when the chef wasn't didn't went at the office when they both were awake, uh, and that would be the sum of both of them, which in this case is 36. So it's an easy exercise. Again, we declare t and two variables a and b, the numbers that are given from the guard to the boss of the chef, and we read the number of test cases. We write a for cycle that iterates as much time as needed to finish all the test cases, and we read the both of the given number from the guards, and we are going to use a ternary operator. We are saying if a is greater than b, if we are asking is a greater than b, if this is so, return a, else return b, and we put the space there, and that's sum a plus b and a new line there. Let's put this into an extra bracket because it makes problem with the other operators here. And for our example, this is a short writing of an if-else condition. We have a test case and was 1917. We have 1936. Let's get this, copy, go submit there. Paste, submit. and wait for a response from the server. The exercise was solved correctly. We came to the end of another video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe by clicking the red button right below the like button, and turn on the notifications by clicking the notification bell to not miss the upcoming videos. See you soon on Code Purpose.